you living in pain? No matter what's holding you back, that's no way to live. Life was meant to be enjoyed, and our seasoned physiotherapists are armed and ready to treat anyone of any age with any issue. Pain-free movement is the key to independence. We'll assist you in identifying, diagnosing, and treating any movement problems you may be experiencing. We will work with you to craft a treatment plan that aligns with your unique goals, challenges, and needs. Physiotherapy with our seasoned experts is the best and most affordable way to avoid painful, inconvenient surgery. From slipped discs to meniscal tears, knee osteoarthritis, and beyond, we promise to never let you down. So what are you waiting for? There's no need to live in pain a second longer. Call us at the number shown on the screen or visit us online to take the first step into a pain-free tomorrow today.